Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Keith. Taking apart my laptop here, and I originally wasn't going to film this because I didn't think it was going to be that big of a deal. The battery doesn't last at all. This thing's from 2017. This laptop, and I should probably replace this battery. Anyway, I'm looking at this other battery here. It's a little CMOS battery. I don't know how long that lasts. Maybe I'll change that out too. Um, but here's the battery. I didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but I wanted to show it. Hopefully, it shows up on camera. Can you see how it's got humps on it? Look at that. I have a new battery over here. It's supposed to be flat. So it's probably a good thing I'm replacing this battery. I'll video when I put this thing back up. It's just a bunch of screws that come apart, and then you have to use a pick, and you take off the cover here. This is the back cover. Oh, and you gotta take the CD. This one has a CD-ROM. You gotta take the CD-ROM out also. Anyway, CD-ROM just pulls right out. There's two screws underneath it. That's why I have to take it out. But I blew this off. I'm gonna get what is this battery here? If I have one. See, it looks like it's CR2032. I'm gonna replace that battery since I'm in here, and I have to go find one. Hopefully, I have it, and then I'm gonna replace this battery. All it is there's only 4 more screws on here. I'll show you here. Ugh. Black screws. Put them on a black mat. People are messaging me. Let's see what's going on. All right, and then you just, I guess you just pick this up. Yep. And it connects to the motherboard right here. Looks like you just pull it out. I need a Phillips head, or for flathead. Flathead. Push this tab here. There we go. Wow, that thing's... Should I pop it? I'm not gonna pop it right here. Anyway, let's oh, it looks like I have to take this. Okay, so this goes here. I have to take the connector off here, plug it into, and then I didn't realize the connector was in here too. There we go. Get that connector out. Connector in here. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this back together. I'm gonna go get a CMOS battery, and we'll see if this thing starts back up. It was funny. It had 100% battery, and it shut off in like 2 minutes. It was down to 0. So that battery is gone. And I got one that says Dell. I don't know if it's really a Dell battery. Don't know, but there's a whole bunch of different batteries out there. So I don't know if this is a real OEM. It looks the same. These companies can just put whatever they want on here, so I don't know. I tried to find a real Dell one. I couldn't find one. I just bought something that was on Amazon. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. All right. New batteries in. New CMOS batteries in. Let's put this cover on. I have to open it and get this around the back here. 1 second. Yeah. Open it. I'll slide this in. Okay, and then just clips back in. It's kind of ridiculous. That's what you have to do to put the battery in. Remember the old days? You just pop it out. All right, new batteries in. So there's different size screws. Hopefully you can see. All of these, I think, were the same. I don't know. Some, no, they all have Loctite on them. Magnetized. Some less Loctite than others. But those right here, there's two different sizes. I'm going to show you where those go first, because the rest just go everywhere else. Okay. Oh, actually, there's still one in here. It didn't fall out. All right, these two tiny little ones. They have a bigger head on. Go here where the CD-ROM goes. I just want to show you guys this stuff because this laptop still works. It's still okay. Just the battery was dead. And I'm going to get in, I don't know. I do need a new laptop. I mean, 2017. I would like a new laptop. But just to fix this one so I can still use it, this is what I'm going to do. Here's a problem. I don't remember. I remember one of these goes here. These are smaller ones. Oh, it doesn't go there. Oh, maybe it does. Push down on it. Yeah. And I don't know what's one went. Shoot. Let's tighten this one since it's in there. Okay. And let's start putting these other ones in. You just go around. I don't know how many there are. Put this. You know what? I think this little one goes right here. Yeah. Here. And this one. Here. 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 All right. And CD-ROM. You just take it. Uh-oh. Let's see what the problem is. Anyway, got a little problem with CD-ROM. Hopefully I don't take it apart again. It's not going all the way in for some reason. Oh, maybe I have... Oh, I know. All right, to get this out, you gotta pop this. Probably put this in first. Oh! Look at that. This screw right here hits the CD-ROM. So this screw, that's why I had to press down on it. I bet you now it'll go in. Yep. And then this stops the CD-ROM from coming out. That makes sense. Now it goes through that. Yep. All right. There you go. And what I used was a combination of this pry tool and this pry tool. And I just went around. I mean, it came off really easy. I just went around like this. Just pop, 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 pop. And until it popped all off and take the bottom off. That's it. All right. So, you got a laptop that battery's bad or you need to take it apart, you change the CMOS battery or whatever. It's not that hard to do. Go ahead and try it yourself. Like I said, I got the battery off of Amazon, and this thing's will be as good as new now. And then also I had the CMOS battery laying around because those are common for like remotes and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.